Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tria Maria. Here I will describe three capster. The first capster is a linear equation in one variable. Check it out. Capster 1. The linear equation in one variable. Do you know the linear equation in one variable? Linear equation in one variable is an open sentence connected by a equal sign and only has a maximum of one variable of other one. The general form of linear equation in one variable is a x plus b equals 0. A is the confines of variable x. X is variable for linear equation in one variable. B is a context on the left side. The context 0 on one of the sides is a form of general solution of linear equation function. Example of linear equation in one variable: x plus equals 10, 3 minus y equals 6, z to the power of 2 minus 4 equals 12. They are elements that we need to understand in a linear equation in one variable, namely 1. An open sentence in a sentence words should follow cannot be known. 2. Variable is a symbol in a open sentence that can be replaced by any member of the set that has been determined. 3. Constants are symbols that replace a certain number, and 4. That set a solution is the set of a substitutes for the variable in the open sentence which make the sentence to be true. Example 1. X plus 5 equals 10 called an open sentence. The value of x is called a variable. First, 5 and 10 are called constant, and the solution is x plus 5 equals 10. X equals 10 minus 5. X equals 5. So, the solution is x equals 5. 2. 3 minus y equals 6. Called a open sentence, the value of x is called a variable. Words 3 and 6 are called constant, and the solution is 3 minus y equals 6. Negative y equals 6 minus 3. Negative y equals 3. Both sides multiplied by negative. Y equals negative 3. So the solution is y equals negative 3. The equivalence of the linear equation in one variable. Two or more equations are said to be equivalent if they have the same set of solutions and are denoted by the symbol logical equivalence symbol. The condition for an equation to be expressed into an equivalent equation is by 1. Add or subtract both sides with the same number. 2. Multiplying of definite both sides by the same number. Example 1. Determine the follow x plus 5 equals 10. Solution: if x is replaced by 5, then the follow 5 plus 5 equals 10. This is true. Condition 1. So the solution of the equation x plus 5 equals 10 is x equals 5. 2. Find the follow 3x plus 1 divided by 2 minus x equals 4. Solution: 3x plus 1 divided by 2 minus x equals 4. 3x plus 1 divided by 2 minus x multiplied 2 minus x equals 4 multiplied 2 minus x. 3x plus 1 equals 8 minus 4x. 3x plus 1 plus 4x equals 8 minus 4x plus 4x. Both sides plus 4x. 7x plus 1 equals x. 7x equals 7. X equals 1. How to solve linear equation in one variable? Substitution. The substitution method is to replace the variable with the appropriate number so that equation becomes the correct sentence. Example: determine the set of solution for the equation 4x minus 3 equals 3x plus 5. If the x follow is variable in the set of integers. Discussion: 4x minus 3 equals 3x plus 5. 4x minus 3 plus 3 equals 3x plus x plus 5 plus 3, both sides plus 3. 4x equals 3x plus 8, group like them. 4x minus 3x equals 8. 8x equals 8. The set of solution is x equals 8. Move one element to another. Move an element to another first means assigning the opposite value of that element to another field. Example: an equation 2x plus 1 equals 2 will be transferred the constant 1 in the left to right side. 2x plus 1 equals 5. 2x equals 5 plus negative 1. 2x equals 5 minus 1. 2x equals 4. Divide the convention of the variable. The calculation of the variable value is done by divided x segment by its variable convention. Example: find the solution to the equation of 2x equals 4. Since the x convention is 2, x side is divided by 2. 2x equals 4. 2x divided by 2 equals 4 divided by 2. X equals 1. So the solution to the equation is x equals 1. Move the variable along with the convention. Move the variable element is done thoroughly, including the convention. Example: find the solution to the equation of 3x equals 2x plus 1. This will move the variable x to another side of the equation. 3x equals 2x plus 1. 3x minus 2x equals 1. X equals 1. So the solution to the above equation is x equals 1. Example of linear equation in one variable in everyday life. Putri broke 4 pencil and eraser for Rp 3000. If the total value of her cost is Rp 15,000, how much is the price of one pencil? Discuss. Know 4 pencil equals 4x, eraser equals Rp 3000, total equals Rp 15,000. Wanted the price of a pencil variable x. Solution: 4 pencil plus eraser equals total 4x plus 3000 equals 15,000. 4x plus 3000 minus 3000 equals 15,000 minus 3000, both sides minus 3000. 4x equals 12,000. 4x divided by 4 equals 12,000 divided by 4. Both sides divided by variable conventions. X equals 3000. What about the first material? Next, I will explain the second chapter. The second chapter is decagon. Check it out. The second chapter is decagon. Do you know decagon? The meaning of decagon. A decagon is a polygon that has 10 sides and 10 angles. A regular decagon has equal side and equal corner of the room is equal to 144 degrees. Characteristic. The characteristic of the decagon is 1. Have 10 sides that are equal its legs. 2. Has 10 angles that are equal. 3. Has 10 four symmetries. 4. Has 10 rotating symmetries. 5. Has 10 axes of symmetry. 6. Can be divided into 10 Euclidean triangles. Formula. Area and circumference of the decagon. Area of the decagon, where T equals side line. A equals 7.69 times T to the power of 2. So how the area of the decagon is 7.69 times side to the power of 2. Circumference of the decagon. How to find the circumference of the decagon? Circumference equals 10 times side. Example 1. There is a decagon have side 6 cm. Determine the area of the rectangle. Solution. You know side equals 6 cm, wanted area. Answer. L equals 7.69 times 6 to the power of 2. L equals 7.69 times 6 to the power of 2. L equals 7.69 times 36. L equals 276.84 cm to the power of 2. So the area of the decagon is 276.84 cm to the power of 2. 2. If the circumference of the decagon is 100 cm, then determine the side lines. Solution. You know circumference equals 100 cm. Wanted the length of the side. Answer. Circumference equals 10 times side. 100 equals 10 times side. 100 divided by 10 equals side. 10 equals side. So the side length of the decagon is 10 cm. What about the second material? Next, I will explain the third chapter. The third chapter is tables and diagram. In chapter 3, I will discuss a problem. Check it out. Chapter 3 is table and diagram. Question. In a Mia class at XYZ in school, a counseling teacher conducts a survey of the mathematics and natural science subject most liked by students. The survey results showed that out of 15 students, Bendy, Zafran, and Ali like physics lesson. Rio and Feby love math. Ali, Ibnu, Fira, and Hadi like chemistry. Vinda, Arif, and Denny also like mathematics. The other students like biology lesson. Make a data presentation using 1. Tables, 2. Pick cards, 3. Bar cards. Genau theater. Total student 15 students. Physics, Bendy, Zafran, and Ali. Mathematics, Rio, Feby, Vinda, Arif, and Denny. Chemistry, Alfi, Ibnu, Fira, and Hadi. Biology, 3 students. Tables. Physics, 3 students. Mathematics, 5 students. Chemistry, 4 students. Biology, 3 students. Then the data is entered into the tables. Like the tables on the side. Number, subject, and frequency. Physics subject with a frequency of 3, mathematics subject with a frequency of 5, chemistry subject with a frequency of 4, biology subject with a frequency of 3. Total is 15. Picards in degrees. Physics equals 3 divided by 15 times 316 degrees equals 72 degrees. Mathematics equals 5 divided by 15 times 316 degrees equals 120 degrees. Chemistry equals 4 divided by 15 times 316 degrees equals 96 degrees. Biology equals 3 divided by 15 times 316 degrees equals 72 degrees. Enter data into a Picards. Physics in light blue, biology in blue, chemistry in pink, mathematics in red. Pie chart in person. Physics equals 3 divided by 15 times 100% equals 20%. Mathematics equals 5 divided by 15 times 100% equals 3.30%. Chemistry equals 4 divided by 15 times 100% equals 26.67%. Biology equals 3 divided by 15 times 100% equals 20%. Enter data in OP chart. Physics in dark blue, biology in pink, chemistry in mustard, mathematics in orange. Bar chart. Physics 3 students, mathematics 5 students, chemistry 4 students, biology 3 students. Enter data into the bar chart. Physics in a light blue, mathematics in red, chemistry in pink, biology in blue. From the pie chart and bar chart, it can be concluded that mathematics is the subject most liked by students, and the ones that are least liked by students are physics and biology.